see them in there.
You see them in there?
Yeah.
They're up there. Look right here. Look right there. Oh, don't touch them.
Hey, Krabby. Pinch me.
Ow.
Daddy, are they dead? Hey.
Which one?
You have these.
Yep.
Which one are we gonna get? What is this?
This smell.
Smell?
Mm-hmm.
Where's the bubble ones?
They're pink. They're out.
They're out. We're gonna catch some chicken boys with these purple ones, and look at the back of my shirt.
You can catch some flounders.
Show them at the crabs.
Yep.
What's up, follow?
What's going on, saltwater soldiers?
What's up going on, saltwater soldiers?
Flounder.
And then we have these fishing chicken boys.
The chicken boys. The purple and the pink.
Purple and the pink.
And what are we fishing for?
For flounders, and we just catch some redfish. I catch the redfish.
Yep.
And then
We were fishing earlier today, and Ethan landed one redfish and one got off. Caught some other fish. We're mainly going for flounder, but we're
and
just
I
trying.
catch a stingray.
You caught a stingray. We're mainly just trying to get out here, land a couple flounders, have a good day on the water. It's nice and relaxing, low winds. So hopefully you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. You got it. You got it. Reel it.
Ooh.
Hold on. Let me let this drag up a little bit. Okay, start reeling. Start reeling.
Here, Daddy. Reel it.
Hold on.
I can't reel it.
Okay, just hold it tight. Hold it tight. Here.
I can't.
Reel.
I can't. Walking?
Keep reeling.
This is a lot of adventure.
Keep going. Got it, Ethan.
Yeah.
Think it's a shark?
No.
What do you think it is? Another redfish?
Yes! That's strong.
Keep reeling.
Ooh.
So got him, coach?
Got him, coach!
Yeah. keep reeling. That's what we came for. We came for that big old red.
Oh, it's coming.
That's another red, Ethan. Oh, it's pulling.
Don't lose it, Ethan.
Come on, Ethan.
We have to.
Come on, soldier. Come on, soldier. Keep going. Yeah. Here. Oh. There you go.
Daddy, why
Nice
is he
and
doing that?
Nice and easy. Look, turn your hand like this. Oh. Nice and easy. Ooh. Here, we're going to walk to this side. You ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh.
I got you. Turn this way.
Oh.
Ready?
Yes.
Keep reel it up.
Okay.
Keep going.
Reel it up.
Oh.
Don't look at it.
It got off?
No. Hold the pole, Ethan.
Okay. Get it.
Hold the pole. Dang it, I missed it.
Missed.
You got off.
It got off.
Oh! Look at that.
That was some hard work, Ethan.
That was good. Wait. Look. Move that.
Oh,
Touch me.
it's okay. Oh, let me get this.
Daddy,
Good job.
Daddy, look right there. Look.
That's a shrimp. That's the shrimp.
Here, let me take it out.
You're gonna take it out and get the hooks. Get the pliers.
Pliers?
Yeah, get the pliers. Right there. Grab it and then shake it. No, right here. Grab it right here. They don't bite.
The weights.
Look. And then shake it out of his mouth.
Are we gonna do it?
Nope. just joking.
We're gonna wait. Back
What is
from
that,
it.
Ethan? What you catch?
A big old redfish.
Big old redfish.
Daddy, hit him right there. See how he weighs. Hey. Hit him right there. Dang, he weighs a lot.
Woo! Perfect. 28.
28.
28 on the money. Look at that.
Where are we
Good
gonna
job.
hit him at?
Good job.
Where are we gonna hit him at? One dot.
Yep. Come on, let's have a look at the camera. Stand it right. All right, clear.
This is a big old fish.
Big old
And
redfish.
then is a big old redfish. And look at these. And then look at that little spot.
Okay, what are you?
That's what's up. Saltwater soldier.
That's what's up. Saltwater soldier. What?
Don't drop it. Reel it up. Don't let it go. Don't let it go. You got it. Almost here. I see a color. I see the color. All right, pick them up. 1, 2, 3. Pick them up.
We're gonna eat that croaker.
You gonna eat that joker?
Yep.
Look at that.
Let's measure it.
Look at that little
Let's
pompano.
measure it right there.
Look at that.
That's a pumpkin well.
Pompano.
Measure it.
Measure it?
Yeah.
All right.
Here, let me hold him.
It's a little guy. You measure about 10 inches.
Wait, his tail is
It's at 12.
12.
But you're supposed to measure him from here.
Okay.
Good job.
Okay.
You want to hold him up for the camera?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold it. Grab the weight. Grab the circle thing. There you go. Hold it.
Ow.
It don't poke.
Ow.
It don't poke.
Ow.
It poked you?
No.
Saltwater soldier.
I don't know what I catch. You don't see it?
I don't see it yet. Good job, Ethan.
Can you give me saltwater soldier badge?
A saltwater soldier badge.
Yep.
Oh, turn it.
Turn it. You see it?
Oh, it got off. It was a whitey.
A whitey? What's a whitey?
Yep.
What's a whitey?
Get up. There you go. Reel it. Keep reeling it. Keep reeling it. Turn your pole this way.
Where?
This way. Hold on, hold on. Let me get you off the motor. Let it go, let it go. Come over here.
Okay.
I think it got off.
No.
Reel it up. I think it got off.
Oh, he's still on.
You still on? Well, reel it up.
Wait, hold on. Let me just let him pull it tight, tight.
He's on there. He's almost, I almost see him. I almost see him. Good job, Ethan. That's 3 in a row. Oh, that's a stingray.
Wait, let me see. What that is?
Crazy.
Wait, can I
No,
touch
you
it?
cannot touch that
Why?
because they have a stinger.
A stinger?
Yep.
What? Wait, they're not nice?
Not really.
Not really?
They'll try to whip you. See that?
Whip me.
See that right there?
Yeah.
See, look, you turn them upside.
Stingray. For $20.
$20.
You actually paid me $20 if I cut the yard.
Look at that. Good job. Where they caught a whiting.
Oh. Oh, it got off.
It got off.
Yeah.
Well, reel it up. Reel it up. I don't think it's still on there. It's still on there. Come on, fight it, soldier. Pull it and reel it. Pull it and reel it. No, stay over here. Stay over here. Pull it and reel it.
Daddy, help me.
Pick it up and reel it. Reel it, reel it, reel it, reel it, reel it, reel it. Oh, that's a little, I think it's a pompano.
Wait, what is that?
That's a little pompano.
What is that?
Keep reeling. I almost got it. Almost got it, Ethan. Oh, it got off.
Wait, he did?
Yeah, right at the end, he got off.
Ew,
Yeah. Hold on. Hold on. Pull back. Remember how we... Oh, snap. Hold on.
I got big old joker.
Big old joker.
I got.
You ready?
Yeah.
Pull. Pull and reel. Pull and reel. Here, stand up. I'm going to help you. Stand up. Go.
Okay.
Hold on. Hold on.
I can't reel.
You can't reel?
No.
Hold on. Hold on.
It's too hard.
Reel yours up, Lydia. Reel yours up.
Why?
Reel it up
I got something.
so you can record him. On this?
Daddy, help me.
Come on, let's walk to the front. Walk to the front. Walk to the front. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Okay, here. Let me see it real quick. Let it go. Let it go. 1, 2, 3. Reel. 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 Hard. Hard. Look at that. Ethan's hooked up.
Daddy,
Ethan's hooked up, guys. Here. Pull. Remember how we said pull? Now reel down. Reel. 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 Reel.
Reel. Oh, pull. Daddy, get the net.
Get the net? I'll get the net once it gets a little closer.
Okay.
We got to get this joker. That's a big old redfish.
Daddy, what do you think what it is?
That's a shark.
Huh?
That's another shark.
Oh, crap.
Is it a shark?
You got a huge one.
That's a... Oh, it's a big old redfish. It's a redfish. Look at Ethan, hooked up. Hold on, hold on. Hold your pole, hold your pole.
Let it go.
Don't let it go. Here. Keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. You got it. No, you got it. Ooh, that's a monster.
You're in the way.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a redfish.
Oh, crap. Baby, you got a huge one.
Why is it doing that?
Here, 1, 2, 3.
That's a redfish.
Ready? Okay, keep reeling, keep reeling. Keep reeling. Let Daddy get the...
Ethan.
Huh?
Okay, keep reeling. Keep reeling. It's almost here. It's
Hold
almost
on tight.
here. Pull back. 1, 2, 3. Pull back. Now reel. Now reel. Reel. Woo-hoo-hoo. Salt water. Salt. Keep on.
Oh,
Go in.
I feel like I'm gonna.
You see that big old joker?
Yeah. Get close.
Woo!
Don't lose it.
Keep reeling.
Ethan caught dinner.
Keep reeling. Keep reeling. You got him. You got him.
Daddy, do you know you can eat fish? Egg fish?
Keep reeling. Keep reeling. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Keep reeling.
He's not even that strong.
Yeah, he's strong. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. You don't want to lose him.
I don't want to.
No, we don't want to lose him.
Yeah,
That's a pretty one.
yeah, that's.
Keep reeling. Keep reeling.
What is that one called? What is that one?
It's called a redfish.
Red fish.
Yeah, keep reeling.
I keep.
Look, he's right there. He's right there.
Whoa! Check him out. Come here, Joker.
Come on,
We're
Joker.
not gonna eat you.
Not yet.
You see when we eat you. Little.
He's gonna take off again.
Hold on tight, Ethan.
Hold on. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, he got off.
Are you serious?
Yeah, he got off.
Oh.
Wow.
Look at that.
It took too long.
Bent the
Oh,
hook.
wow. He bent it.
He bent the hook.
Huh? He bent it?
He bent it.
Why?
Woo!
He knew you were going to cook him for dinner, Ethan.
Well, we didn't. We didn't because he got off.
Dang.
That was
Tough one?
Yeah, that hurt my.
Bounce it. Stand up. Stand up. You ready? Go ahead. Set the hook. Reel it, reel it, reel it, reel it, and set the hook. Set the hook. Set the hook. Set the hook. No, yank it. Yank it. Oh, he got off. Reel him, reel him. You got him, Ethan. Really hard. Let me get the net. Hand me the net, Lydia. Is it fighting?
Yes.
Yeah? Give me the net. Saltwater soldier, baby. Look at that.
Oh, I can see it.
Look at that.
Why is it splashing?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press the button.
Which one?
Saltwater soldier. Push the button, Ethan. Push the button.
Which one?
Push the button.
The button.
Push the button.
Which one?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, that one. Push it. Press it. You pressed it? Let it go.
Huh?
Let it go. No? What'd you catch it on?
Huh?
What'd you catch it on?
On Chicken Boy Lure.
Chicken Boy Lures. Here, let me see your pole. Hold on. Let me help you out.
Daddy, whopping that fish is fighting with the other fish. Whopping
Look at
the
that. You got a red fish.
red fish.
Look at that. Chicken Boy Lures, baby. Ethan's on them today.
Whopping, I catch two fishes like that.
Here, hold this up so I must send this picture to Chicken Boy. All right, hold on. Pick it up like that. And just say, that's what's up, Chicken Boy.
That's what's up, Chicken Boy. Because, do you know what just happened? I just cooked this thing for 20 hours, and then I cook it when it's nighttime.
Yep, that's what's up.